Hey.
Oh, and I almost lost my towel.
Because
We're at Slugger Field for
the Louisville FC soccer game.
on location. So as you can see behind us, they're getting ready
Play soccer on a baseball field.
to play soccer on a baseball field. We got about 11 and a half minutes till game starts.
However the local game goes, we all
Come back with some footage from the game. We'll walk around, maybe film a little bit of everything that's going on around here. We got all kinds of giveaways and stuff like that.
So we'll just see.
So let's go check that out.
Some kind of foul. So we are now leaving the Louisville FC soccer game, if you can't tell.
First one ever.
It was
Pretty
pretty
wild.
awesome. You see the craziness that ensued.
Now we're heading back to the car.
That's right. Back home in nighty night.
Include another DC high.
On location.
There you go. It's only the name of the show.